I had to continue it the next day. I just ran out of time, and things got busy at home. So anyway, I got all my harness all connected, all buttoned up. Yeah, looks all good. I got all this one. I put a tie wrap on it for now. Then eventually I will buy one of those aluminum clamps or something, just to make it neat. And my alternator, I just routed in between. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it just snake right through the cover. And I'm going to mock up my intake manifold. This is my return line. It's a -4. I'm gonna mock it up and see how much I'm gonna cut this off. That will be so I don't have to make a mistake of, you know, like guessing how long it's gonna be. But this is not a bad looking piece at all. Other than it would not hold the filter. But I guess since I'm using the ID, I guess I don't need it. And also one of my subscriber commented that that rubber might be worn out. It's not. Yeah, this is the old one. This one hardly get worn out. Yeah. So I could not put, well, I could not add any more spacer or rubber spacer right here. It's because of my injector. It's gonna end up being too short. Yeah, this is just perfect. But anyway, yeah, adding one of those when I cut this up into pieces and stuck it on there, it went perfect. Well, I'll find out later on once it get pressurized. I know it's not gonna leak or anything, but it's better than what it was before. Oh yeah, okay, I forgot all about it. On this one here, I got one of these. Well, since my line is a -4, so I bought one of those reducer adapter, but I only have a straight one. It'll be better if I have like a 45-degree. It's kind of funky looking like this. Well, I guess it's all right. I don't know if I should wait. Well, I'll put it on now, and then I can always change it later. I don't know if I can change it, because once I change it, if I removed it, it might leak. So I think I'll wait till I get a 45-degree or something. Yeah, it's not that good. Yeah. I tried to look for like a -6 and for a 4AN, but it only comes with like a barb fitting, and I want something like this with that AN fitting, not a barb. So I think I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I don't like having a straight line like that. So I'm going to mark it up, and I'll probably just call it a day. I think I can go ahead and secure that intake manifold. Yeah, I can do that. I can put the fitting afterwards. I got all my harness on this side. I think I'm gonna break it. Maybe number 3 and 4. I will see if I could put it. You know, I think it might. Yeah, I think 1 and 2. Okay, got all the connectors in, and I don't have to extend it. Apparently, underneath it was rolled in there. Got caught on something. And I got all the nuts for the studs to securing my intake manifold. And then the bottom side, I'll just tighten that when I go underneath. So this is pretty much all good to go. Okay, it's all tight. And I already cut this. I'm gonna order the like a 45 degree. Oh. Yeah, well, a straight one is not bad at all. Maybe I just use the straight one. That way I don't have to buy anything. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. But yeah, that's it. See how it looks. I ended up using a what is that, a 90 degree fitting. Yeah, I think in an angle it's much better. That way, if you look at it, looking at from the front, you could actually see it. Yeah. Otherwise, if it's straight, then you have to like lean over it to see it. This way, you can actually, since it's in an angle. Okay. The heck with it. I decided to put the straight fitting on there. It'll be fine. It's kind of awkward to put it on now. There's not a whole lot of space. Man, I hope I don't take that manifold again. Alright, man, it will take me a while. Okay, I took the hose off because it's a little bit harder for me to do it there inside the engine bay. So I'm almost done with my fuel system here. This is for the return line. I'm using a dash 4. Okay. All right. Oh, and also this will conclude my fuel system right here. This is my fuel supply. I put some heat wrap on here. It's a little bit of protection because this nylon thing is not really that good for like rubbing on some other parts, it's easily get entangled, you know, like get ruined. So as far as like abrasion, yeah. So I just put some a little bit of protection on there because it'll be rubbing. I know it'll be rubbing in there inside. Okay, so let's put this on and let's finish this bad boy. Have you ever noticed my IACV? It's horizontally placed. I made that bracket a long time ago. The first one I made is about 6 years ago. You can still see it on YouTube. It's under a g23vtec build, I think. Yeah, it's I built one for my nephew. Yeah, at the time they don't make those, so I figured, you know, I found me a way on how to make it. So, yeah, it's unlike that Roscoe Racing bracket adapter where your IACV is vertically installed. So anyway, oh yeah, this one. Let me route this bad boy. So this one, I'll just route this inside like so. And it connects here. This AN fitting, if you don't get it really straight, being aluminum is just so easily to strip out the thread. So anyway, got it all. It's tight. Map sensor, like so. Let's just plug it in for now. I still need to calibrate this thing, but okay. Oh, that's for the sorry, that's for the map. This is for the map. Yeah. Alright guys, and that concludes my fuel system. In the beginning I was gonna use a 45 degree, but I ran out of 45 degree. But in a way it works out that this 120, because they're all as far as like the lines, they're all in an angle, so it's perfect. Yeah, it worked perfectly. So that's my Euro Type R H20 for H22 with radium fuel pressure gauge and fuel pressure regulator, and this is for a throttle position sensor. I'll plug that on later. That's it. My turbo section is all situated except for the boost control, and I'll do that later on. Okay, thanks a lot guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye everyone, I'll see you guys on the next one. Not bad. That's with Roscoe Racing fuel rail.